Hello friends, today is April 18th. I just wanted to remind you about staking your peonies. This is our peony. This is our peony. You can see blooms on them. I'm going to use this tomato case to support our peony. You can use even a bamboo sticks or any kind of sticks or any kind of support. It has to be sturdy because this peony can grow big, and as the blooms get bigger and once they are in full bloom, they can be very heavy and it can be beaten up by a wind or a heavy rain. So you have to support them early enough, before the wind or the rain or before the peony is in full bloom. It's better to support them early. Once it is grown so big, it will be hard to put the cage around them.